Now let's look at the question of how many ways there would be to line up 5 people in a row. Say you want to take a picture of 5 people, how many different orders could you put those people in? Well, instead of giving names to the people, let's just call them A, B, C, D, and E. So we could line them up A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, E, D, A, B, D, E, C. We could list all the possibilities in an alphabetical order. We could draw a tree, or we could use the mechanism that we've been using and see how many possibilities there are for each person. Let's call the positions 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 positions. The question is how many people can go in each position. And let's say we're going to fill the positions from left to right, so that there are going to be how many possibilities for the person that goes in this position. Well, you could put any of the 5 here, so there are 5 possibilities if this is the first position filled. And then you're going to have 4 people left, and you're going to put one of those in the second position, so there are 4 possibilities here, leaving you 3 possibilities for the third position, 2 for the fourth, and there's only 1 person left over for the fifth. So the number of possibilities is going to equal 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Turns out that this is 120, as you can figure by multiplying it fairly easily. And this is called 5 factorial. Okay, that exclamation point kind of indicates or represents the possibility, or maybe comes from the possibility, that these things grow astonishingly fast. 5 factorial, which is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, is 120. 10 is twice as big as 5. How big do you think 10 factorial is? Well, 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It turns out that this is approximately 3.6 million. Okay, this is a big number. And if you go up to 20 factorial, it gets even bigger. These numbers get huge, and you don't have to have the factorial of a very big number to get a really huge result. If you go up to factorials in the 30 factorial range, you pretty quickly get to the number of particles in the known universe, and the universe is bigger than you imagine. Okay, so this is the idea of the factorial. Now we can write out the definition for n factorial. N is the number, just like 10 is the number here. The next number is 1 less, so we're going to call that n minus 1. Next number is 2 less than n, we'll call that n minus 2. And we come down to 1, and that's the definition of the factorial. And of course your book discusses that.